Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmad, and inshallah in this class we will start dua after the meal. Let us start now. So you can see here to the left side, recite this dua after meal. When you finish your meal, you should recite this dua. I will read fast, you have to repeat after me. If you have any kind of questions, please leave a message under this video. Let us start now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdu Lillahi alladhi at'amana. So here is green color and the sukoon sign is in blue color. Green color meaning you read this letter in heavy sound, and blue color meaning is make qalqala, right? It's like the bouncing sound. So we say at'amana, and it will be weak qalqala. At'amana, at'amana, at'amana. Noon we long due to alif madda. Wasaqana, and here we read this qaf in heavy sound as well, and we long due to alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha. Similarly on the noon we also long here. Then we read wasaqana, wasaqana, waja'alana, waja'alana minal muslimin, minal muslimin. Now I say again. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. Alhamdulillah, we finished this dua. So make sure to read this dua every time after the meal, and keep remember me in your duas. So see you in the next class with the new dua. Take care, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.